The exhibition has two parts really. One in which I'm sitting now, which is very much about objects, specimens, little animation machines. This contrasts with what is on display in the Futures Gallery, which is an immersive experience, which is very much about movement and colour and sound. I felt from the start of this project that the Senedd would be a fantastic place in a number of ways to share this project. The Senedd is where so many of the decisions that affect our day-to-day lives are taken. Many of those decisions are perhaps contentious, and in finding out, in learning about the Curlew, particularly over the last few years, I've come to understand how complex matters are, how divided opinion can be. And so what we have to find is not the perfect solution, because that doesn't exist, because everyone has a different opinion. We have to find the best solution, and that can only happen through dialogue, through debate. Art has always been a great way, it has been sometimes the way, to enable conversation. And so what better place for an artwork that is a forum to take place in what is the forum for the future of Wales.